Okay, students, now we will be moving to the third stage, that is capital subscription. Capital subscription. Remember, capital subscription stage will be followed by only public limited company. If the form of organization that we are forming is public limited company, then only we can go for capital subscription. Okay, so a private company can commence its business immediately after obtaining the certificate of incorporation, that is stage number 2. Okay, and private company can raise necessary funds from friends, relatives, or through any of the private arrangement and proceeds to start the business. But in case of public limited company, the next stage is capital subscription. Capital subscription. A public company can raise funds from public by issuing shares or debenture. This is known as your issue of securities. Issue of securities. Okay. So so for the capital subscription stage, the company need to the public limited need to file an application with SEBI, or in other words we can say that public limited company has to get approval from the SEBI. What is SEBI? SEBI is your Security Exchange Board of India. Security Exchange Board of India. SEBI. SEBI. SEBI is your Securities Exchange Board of इंडिया. जैसे बैंकिंग सेक्टर को कंट्रोल करने के लिए आरबीआई है, वैसे ही कैपिटल मार्केट के बारे में भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो कैपिटल मार्केट, टू कंट्रोल कैपिटल मार्केट, सेबी इज देयर. सेबी इज द, you have to find out which type of company this is, private sector enterprises or public sector enterprises. In the next chapter, that is chapter number 3 and 4, we will be finding whether SEBI is what type of organization. Okay, so it is an statutory corporation. I'm written it that the SEBI is your statutory corporation. Statutory corporation. Okay, we will discuss about all these things in some other chapter. SEBI is the watchdog of the capital market. What is capital market? Capital market is a market. Capital market is a market from where firm or company or public limited company obtains fund for business. Okay, so to control the capital market, SEBI is there. SEBI is the government organization and it is a statutory corporation. Okay, so we have to think of all these things. So to proceed with the capital subscription stage, a company need to file an application with SEBI and to get the approval for whatever amount the public limited company wants to get from general public. Remember, shares are issued to general public. जनरल पब्लिक को इशू किया जाता है. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज नेसेसरी कि जनरल पब्लिक को ही किया जाएगा. हो सकता है इफ़ द कंपनी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट कि वो किसी प्राइवेट सोर्स से कर सकता है तो वो प्रॉस्पेक्टस नहीं इशू करेगा. वो क्या इशू करेगा? वो अभी हम प्रॉस्पेक्टस के बारे में ही बात करेंगे. प्रॉस्पेक्टस के बदले दे विल इशू स्टेटमेंट इन ल्यू ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस. ठीक है, अभी हम बात कर लेते हैं कि प्रॉस्पेक्टस क्या होता है. प्रॉस्पेक्टस इज अ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट. अभी हम बात करेंगे. ये रहा हमारे पास. सेकंड स्टेज विल बी आफ्टर गेटिंग अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द सेबी दैट अ कंपनी कैन इनवाइट जनरल पब्लिक फॉर सब्सक्रिप्शन और फॉर invite public for funds. Then the second stage will be filing of the prospectus, a copy of prospectus or the statement in lieu of prospectus. If the company wants to get fund from general public, then prospectus will be filed. Or if company wants to get that fund from let's suppose gets that fund from is confident to get that fund from private sources, then the company will file statement in lieu of prospectus. We will be discussing what is prospectus and what is statement in lieu of prospectus. Okay, so the prospectus, what is prospectus? Prospectus is any document that describes or issued as a prospectus, including any notice, circular and other documents inviting the deposits from general public or inviting them for subscription A prospectus contains various things like the objective of the company, the address of the company, everything will be there in the prospectus. Prospectus contains company's name and address. It is a written document that will contain a company's name and address, the nature of the business, in which type of business, so that the general public will be able to know about the nature of the company. Then only they will be able to invest in that company. They will be able to subscribe the shares or debenture of that company. What are the main objective of the company, name and address of the signatories, who are the board of members there. Okay, and the amount of minimum subscription, then time of opening and closing, what are the dates between which they can apply for the subscription or apply for the shares, details regarding the debentures, any preliminary expenses of the company, like that everything will be there, so that basically the prospectus will contain the information related to the company, and the amount whatever they will be collecting from the people will be used for what purposes, वो कौन कौन से पर्पसेस में यूज़ किया जाएगा, कंपनी का फ्यूचर प्रॉस्पेक्ट क्या है, व्हाट कंपनी इंटेंड टू डू इन द फ्यूचर. तो इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में होता है प्रॉस्पेक्टस में लिखा हुआ. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज योर व्हाट इज स्टेटमेंट इन लिeu ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस. स्टेटमेंट इन लिeu ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस क्या होता है? जब व्हेन द कंपनी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट दैट कि हमें लोगों से पैसे नहीं लेना है, हम प्राइवेट सोर्सेज से पैसे ले सकते हैं, हमारे पास आ सकता है. So that is known as your statement in lieu of prospectus. एक स्टेटमेंट फाइल किया जाता है, वो भी सेबी के पास ही फाइल किया जाता है, और उसमें ये सभी चीज़ें लिखी होती है कि दैट वी आर कैपेबल ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग फंड्स फ्रॉम दैट प्राइवेट सोर्सेज, सो वी वोंट नीड एनी पब्लिक फाइनेंसेस. दैट मीन्स वो शेयर्स के फॉर्म में लोगों से, जनरल पब्लिक से नहीं लेंगी. Okay, so the company is so it is at the will of the company and depends entirely upon the arrangement of the company, कि कंपनी के पास कैसा अरेंजमेंट है. ओके, तो वो प्रॉस्पेक्टस फाइल करेगा या फिर वो स्टेटमेंट इन लिeu ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस फाइल करेगा. देन आफ्टर दैट दे विल अपॉइंट, द कंपनी विल अपॉइंट बैंकर्स, ब्रोकर्स एंड अंडरराइटर्स. बैंकर्स, ब्रोकर्स एंड अंडरराइटर्स. अब ब्रोकर्स क्या होगा, बैंकर क्या होगा, अंडरराइटर क्या होगा? बैंकर इज बेसिकली नॉर्मली अ बैंक वेयर इन द एप्लीकेशन मनी रिसीव्ड विल बी डिपॉजिटेड. okay, received by the bankers. Okay, and the next is your brokers. Brokers will try to sell the shares in order to obtain the minimum subscription. We will be discussing minimum subscription later on. ठीक है, तो brokers के बारे में बात करेंगे आप. Brokers will try to sell the shares. And the underwriters. Underwriters are those persons basically in nowadays brokers and underwriters are the same person. They will try to sell the shares, all of the shares, in case some of the shares are not sold before the last date. Then they will buy all the shares at the discounted rate, or all the shares at the prescribed rate, for which they will get some sort of commission from the company. Okay, so next the next part will be your, this is your memorandum of association and article of association. Difference is there. So the next and the fourth stage is your minimum subscription. After doing all these things, getting approval from SEBI, then filing prospectus, then appointing bankers, brokers and the next is your brokers. आफ्टर ब्रोकर्स क्या था हमारे पास? ब्रोकर्स के बाद क्या था हमारे पास? Then minimum subscription, we will be talking about the minimum subscription. Minimum subscription, it ensures that a company does not have shortage of funds. It is made mandatory that a company must receive minimum amount of subscription within 120 days from the date of issue. जब उसने डेट ऑफ प्रोस्पेक्टस जिस दिन भी इशू किया है मार्केट में, आफ्टर दैट विदिन 120 डेज, 120 डेज मीन्स मोस्टली वी कैन से लाइक दैट 4 मंथ्स, 4 महीने के अंदर अंदर उसको मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या करना है, रिसीव कर लेना. व्हाट इज़ मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन? अब मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए भी एक लिमिट है. मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए क्या है, एक लिमिट है. इफ़ द कंपनी ट्राई टू, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. A minimum subscription is 90%. 90%. If suppose a company wants to obtain 1 crore, 1 crore from general public, 1 crore from general public. So within 120 days, the company must receive 90 lakh, minimum 90 lakh from general public in order to proceed to the next stage of formation of company. So minimum subscription is 90% of the, okay. If the subscription is less than 90%, if the subscription is less than 90%, less than 90%, not equal to, less than 90%, then company cannot proceed further. Here comes the role of underwriters. They will buy all the shares to make it either 90%, or 100%, or 100% in order to go to the next stage of formation of company. Okay, then after that they will file an application to the stock exchange for listing of the share, Okay, so an application will be made to the stock exchange. You must have heard about that National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. So like that, these are the stock exchange. Stock exchange are the places where stocks, that means shares of the company, are exchanged, means sold and purchased. Okay, so an application is made to at least one of the stock exchange for permission to deal in its shares or debentures. If permission is not granted before the expiry of 10 weeks from the date of closure of subscription list, then the allotment becomes void. Void means which cannot be continued further. It is the legal term. It is not known as, we can't say it as illegal, but the agreement between the shareholder and the company remains cancelled. Simply we can say like that. सो क्या करेंगे वो, विद इन 10 डेज उसको एप्लीकेशन वहाँ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से मिलना है कि हमें इस काम को आगे बढ़ाना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट क्या होगा, इसके बाद वो ट्रेडिंग जो है वो वहाँ पे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे शुरू हो जाएगा, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से अप्रूवल हो जाएगा. देन आफ्टर दैट शेयर्स विल बी अलॉटेड. शेयर्स क्या होता है, सपोज 1 करोड़ वाज दैट दैट द अमाउंट ना जो हमें रिसीव करना था. 10 इज एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, तो लेट्स सपोज कि मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या होता है. मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन बेसिकली इज शेयर्स आर द स्मॉलेस्ट डिनोमिनेटर. सपोज 1 करोड़ इज बीइंग डिवाइडेड इनटू 10 और 1 लाख equity shares. That means 1 equity shares becomes of rupees 100. The smallest denomination in which a person can get his share in that company is known as your share. The smallest part. Share is nothing but the part. This is your capital of the firm. This is your share. So the smallest share will be known as your the smallest portion is known as your share. Okay, so now the shares will be allotted to the general public within 30 days of the allotment. If not done, so it will be returned within 30 days. Okay, so next we can move to the next part, that is one person company, that we will discuss in some other video. Okay, so the next stage is, this is your memorandum of association schedule I, company limited by, these all things are given in your NCERT book. Okay, so after that, after obtaining minimum subscription or getting that capital after completing that capital subscription stage, a company will get the public company will get certificate commencement of business. Certificate of commencement of business. A public limited company will get certificate for commencement of business. Commencement of business. And business can, then this type of company can start its business. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing about some of the other things related to this chapter only. Go through this chapter. I will be giving a PDF of memorandum of association, how the form appears, and what are the various forms that company needs to file for getting it registered. That will be given in the link. Okay, so watch the video till end. At the end